Across the Sahara on a Bicycle, written by Anindya Mukherjee. About the author. Anindya Mukherjee is a mountaineer with a passion for exploring and documenting the unknown areas of the Indian Himalayas. He has a keen interest in experiencing the wild places and mountains of other continents too. He is also a freelance adventure travel writer based in Howrah, West Bengal. Anindya Mukherjee first visited Africa in 2005 when he climbed up Mount Kilimanjaro. He was inspired by H.W. Tillman. In 2012, he set out on a bicycle from Nanyuki in Kenya to Walvis Bay in Namibia and covered 5,000 km across 5 countries: Kenya, Tanzania, Malawi, Zambia, and Namibia in 69 days. Anindya was so much in love with the continent Africa that he chose to explore the north and northwestern side by cycling through the Sahara Desert. Anindya planned to explore through Morocco to Western Sahara to Mauritania route. Anindya put in all his savings and also decided to take financial help from friends and gathered funds through crowdfunding, which took care of the cost of the flights, visas, bicycle, gear, food, etc. Anindya Mukherjee categorized his journey into stages. He started his ride from the city of Gulmim, Morocco, gateway to the Sahara, across the Great Sahara Desert on 27 February 2017. On the way to Akfenir, the terrain was a stony desert trip and the road often came very close to the Atlantic Ocean, and he loved watching the endless big waves of the Atlantic. As he rode to Tarfaya on 2nd March, the wind turned into a storm and it became impossible to ride with the sand flying everywhere. So he took shelter at a shop for 2 hours. He cycled from Loyun to Bojdur, 190 km, which was his longest ride in a day. On reaching Center Bir Anzaren, he met Mr. Mahfoud, a host for cyclists for years, who shared that Anindya was the first Indian cyclist he had ever met. At checkposts, he was warmly welcomed by the police. On 14 March, Anindya Mukherjee exited Morocco as it was the last day of his Moroccan visa and he entered No Man's Land. No Man's Land is roughly a 4-km stretch of desert between Morocco and Mauritania and is notorious for its landmines. He started cycling towards Boulanner and on the way watched the SNIM train, one of the longest trains in the world. On 16 March, he started on the road to Nouakchott, the capital of Mauritania. Mauritania was not a friendly place as he faced hostility and sometimes racist behavior. Whenever he passed a settlement, children would shout and throw stones at him. The roads were bad and there was heavy traffic. At Tigwent, he met Ibrahim, who was from Mali. He greeted Anindya and cooked a delicious meal for him. They both enjoyed the evening together. On 21st March, Anindya Mukherjee reached the Maison du Parc and realized that he had just crossed the Sahara on his bicycle. On 22nd March, he entered Senegal and after that went to St. Louis, a beautiful city with colonial architecture. Finally, on 25th March 2017, the author reached his destination, Dakar. The journey across the Sahara is one of the most life-changing journeys ever undertaken by the author. Anindya Mukherjee hopes to keep this indomitable spirit of the vast Sahara in him. Total distance travelled by Anindya Mukherjee 2,300 km. Total distance cycled 2,015 km. Cycling days 23. Rest days 5. Average cycling per day 87.60 km. Longest distance cycled in a day 190 km. Loyun to Bojdur.